In this video, I'm going to show how to add voice notes in Google Docs. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. First we need to install a Chrome extension called Mote. Head to the web store and install it. You'll get the link in the description below. Once installed, it will open the login page automatically. Log in with your Google account. Now open any Google Doc, refresh the page if it is already open. Now add a comment by selecting the text, right-click on it and pick the comment option. Here you'll see the Mote icon. It will ask for your microphone permission, allow it. Now it will give you some tips on how to use the extension. To add voice note, click on the Mote icon and it will start recording your voice. You can record up to 60 seconds in one comment. Once finished, click on the done icon. It will show you the voice notes link. People who don't have the Mote extension will see this link and they can click on it to listen to your note. Now add the comment. From here you can play the voice note. It will also show you the transcript of the note, which you can edit if you want. That's it guys, this is how you can add voice notes in Google Docs. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.